In this video, you will learn how easy it is to use the Booqable dashboard to manage the day-to-day tasks of your rental business. It is here that Booqable automatically displays, in order, the pickups and returns of orders that are scheduled for the day. Think of it as your daily planner. You can hover your mouse over the order to quickly preview any extra information about it, such as the products due to be picked up or returned. If you have customers pick up items or return in store, or have staff deliver items to customers, this page will show you a schedule of when orders have to be handed to and from customers. You can also click the Run Report button to bring up a delivery report that you can screenshot and send to your delivery staff, for example. You can also open up the filters and change the time period to see an order report for tomorrow, today, last week, or any custom time period. Any late returns and late pickups would be displayed at the bottom of each column to remind you each day until you remove them. You can click that button to find the list of orders that are still late for either pickup or return. When a customer comes into the store or you are out delivering the items, you can click into the order from this page. Then you can scroll down to see the products due. And when you click pick up or return, you can scan the barcodes of the products going out or coming back in through the Booqable mobile app, or you can assign the correct stock item numbers to the products being picked up or returned, and then the order is processed. Here you can see it has been moved into the return due column, and you can adjust the time period button that reads today and alter it to see the schedule of pickups and returns for the day, tomorrow, this week, this month, or any custom time periods. This is really helpful if you wish to plan your week of deliveries or plan the roster of when staff need to be in store to meet customers. And you're all set. You've now successfully learned how to use the Booqable dashboard to easily manage the day-to-day running of your rental business.